Hi class, welcome to week 5. This is it. This is our week where we're really going to start getting busy. We're getting busy now. Okay, so this week we're going to be writing our body paragraph drafts. Okay, so first thing I want you to do is go ahead and open this body paragraph template link over here, and it's going to look a bit like this. Okay, you'll type in your title of your paper, whatever you're choosing, your name, course number, due date, faculty name. All right, and then you'll have your title of your paper again. Okay, and then you're going to write your first body paragraph, and then your second body paragraph, and then your third body paragraph. Remember, we're writing our body paragraphs. We're not going to worry about an introductory paragraph. We're not going to worry about your concluding paragraph. We're just working on our body paragraphs. Okay, so that's all we're doing this week. What does that look like in reality? Let's take a quick peek at a sample essay that I provided for you. All right, this essay has an intro paragraph, so we're going to skip that. We'll take a peek at it later. But here you can see I have a body paragraph going on here. Okay, my body paragraph, as all body paragraphs should do, this body paragraph starts with a topic sentence. As you can see, this body paragraph starts with the topic sentence. Online learning is growing in popularity because it provides many educationally engaging learning opportunities. Okay. And then I go on to say, in actuality, the quality of education in many online classrooms is realistically just as strong as the quality of education in traditional classrooms. To illustrate, based on the findings of a report published by the Department of Education, one expert noted, quote, "The real promise of online education is providing learning experiences that are more tailored to individual students than is possible in classrooms and that enable more learning by doing, which is more engaging and useful," unquote. And then I've cited it, Lohr 2009 paragraph 7, and then I go on to explain it through programming that is intuitively designed to meet individual needs through activity-based learning. Learners can learn and master more concepts. Likewise, through computer programming that appeals to students through audio and interactive media, more learning can occur that better reflects the 21st century student's way of learning. And then I have my concluding sentence. Because online learning education provides more actively for the individualization of learning, it can be seen as a most attractive way to learn. Okay, so your topic sentence and your concluding paragraphs and your concluding sentence, remember, hold each body paragraph together. Okay, the topic sentence will introduce it, the concluding paragraph will wrap it up, and it should really echo your thesis statement in taking the content of that body paragraph and taking it and referencing your thesis statement, which is your overall argument. Okay, so if you're thinking about a good body paragraph, think about a good body paragraph being one that has that top bun, and then it has all of the fixings in the middle. It has some great ketchup. It has the meat right here, which is my direct quote, and it has an explanation of that direct quote, and then it ends with that concluding sentence or that bottom bun. Okay, so here, top bun is right here. That's my topic sentence. Here is my meat, which is my big bit of my research, which might be a direct quote, or it might be a bit of paraphrased information in your case. But notice that my direct quote is only one direct quote of no more than 40 words. Okay, and it's all in quotation marks inside it. And then I have that bottom bun again. So work to create that type of paragraph in each of your body paragraphs. Each of your body paragraphs should nicely support your thesis statement. Okay, here is an example of a body paragraph with a bit of summarized information in it. Again, I have my topic sentence. In addition to being more engaging, online learning has many financial benefits. So then this body paragraph is going to be focused on the financial benefits of online learning. Okay, and then I give a nice bit of summarized information that talks about the price that online students pay versus the price that traditional students pay. Okay, it's less. So hey, that's a great bit of summarized information for me to share. I use that research and I cite it. And then I talk about it some more, and I talk about some other ways that attending online school is financially cost effective, and then I wrap it up with that concluding sentence. Okay, so aim for that for each of your body paragraphs. Okay, aim for that model. You will submit 3 body paragraphs only, and then one body paragraph needs to include a direct quote, and one body paragraph needs to include a cited paraphrase as well. Now, if you're wondering how do I include that paraphrase, you can go back and use the reference citation generator if you so desire to do so. Remember, I was showing you last week that I had found a great article entitled Conversations with Teachers on the Benefits and Challenges of Online Learning for Gifted Students. Okay, so again, here is that bit of reference information. So if I take that and I include it here in my worksheet, I can return to my worksheet and use the same one. In this case though, I'm ready now because I did do some research on it last week and I found an article that I want to use. Now I'm ready to go back and locate a bit of summarized information I can summarize, or locate a good direct quote. Okay, so in this case I'm going to return to that library, to the library article that I liked. And here it is. Sorry. And in this case, I'm going to generate the PDF version because I know it has pagination, and I know the PDF version over here will show me which page my direct quote is located on, because if I'm going to use a direct quote, I need to cite the page number. Okay, so in this case, my PDF version populated. Now I can look for a good direct quote. Oh, here's one that I like. It says, all of the teachers interviewed and 92% of the participants also remarked on how in an online learning environment, through the use of one-on-one email correspondence, it was easier to address the individual needs of a student. I like that because that would work well for one of my arguments that online learning is a really effective way for learners to learn. Okay, so if I have a paragraph focused on the educational benefits of online learning, hey, that's a bit of nice information. And I can take that back to that worksheet where I can include it right here in my section on direct quotes. Whoops, I must not have copied and pasted right there. Just a second. Gotta love technology, right? Okay, so I highlighted it and I copied and pasted it. I want it to go right here. Okay, so there it is. And it has made everything, gotten all these numbers that I don't need. But I just need to delete them. Again, gotta love technology, right? Okay. So here, and then I have to add in my spaces because I got rid of my spacing. Okay, so there's my direct quote. Now when I return to that text, I need to see what page it was on, because for a direct quote you need to list the page. So it says page 33. Okay, so I go back to my worksheet here where I'm working. I'm going to type in 33. All right. So here we go. Here I have my direct quote. I have a nice signal phrase introducing it, and if I wanted to, I could copy and paste that section then and plop it right into a body paragraph, and that could be, you know, a hamburger for one of my paragraphs. Okay. If I wanted to, instead I decided, well, I really like that information, but it also is something I could paraphrase pretty easily. If I wanted to paraphrase that, then I might decide, okay, I have to use one-sided direct quote and one-sided paraphrase, so I'm going to make this into my paraphrase, and I'll use a different direct quote. So if I wanted to paraphrase it, I might say, I might take that same information, and I just have to turn it into information that's in my own words. So it might be like, Thompson noted that research from his study indicated that 92% of the participants remarked on the received enhanced individualized instruction due to the nature of email communication. Okay. Received enhanced individualized instruction. Okay, so I've taken that direct quote and I've paraphrased it into my own words, okay? And it's cited right nicely here. So Thompson, 2011. Remember, with paraphrased information, you still have to know the author and the year. So that's that. Or if you want to publish, if you want to, there's a different way you can set it. I mean, they're just two different styles, you know, so you can do this type of style where it says Thompson 2011 noted and the bibliographic information is separated, or you can just do the citation where it's all together, it's integrated together, okay? Oh, and one more thing while I'm talking to you. Research from, so you need to kind of tinker with it to make sure it makes sense. Research from one study indicated that 92% of the participants received enhanced individualized instruction due to the nature of email communication. Okay, so here's two different styles, same summary, style, summarized or paraphrased using two different styles. Now, the last thing I wanted to point out is that when you have a direct quote, the period goes after the pagination. So, okay, it doesn't go inside of the quotation marks. So either form would be fine to add into that body paragraph. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of walk you through the essay writing process and how you can use our tool from last week to help you complete your essay due this week. Okay, so again, as a wrap up, each of your body paragraphs should reflect a good hamburger. It should have a good top bun, a good topic sentence. It should have good fixings in the middle, including one direct quote in one paragraph, and then one paraphrase in another paragraph, and then each of those body paragraphs needs to wrap up with a good concluding sentence. So, all right, if you have any questions, just let me know, and best wishes out there. You've got this. Take care.